Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have a special treat for those of you looking for the perfect accessory to elevate your evening look. This is the charming TAILOR Clutch Evening Bag, a truly elegant and timeless piece that is often regarded as one of the best satin clutches on the market. If you're on the hunt for a sophisticated and classy purse for your next special event, you've come to the right place. The charming TAILOR Clutch is crafted from high-quality satin, offering a soft and sleek feel with a refined, elegant pleated design. This evening bag isn't just about looks, it's designed for durability as well. The satin fabric is solid, yet delicate enough to complement any formal attire. Whether you're heading to a wedding, a prom, or a cocktail party, this bag fits perfectly with a variety of dresses and outfits, adding that touch of sophistication we all desire. One of the standout features of this clutch is its secure closure. It's equipped with two magnetic buttons at the top to ensure your belongings are safe and sound. Inside, you'll find an additional zipper pocket, perfect for stashing small valuables like your phone, lipstick, or cash. So you can enjoy your event worry-free. The charming TAILOR Clutch is also designed with versatility in mind. It comes with a detachable chain that's 46 inches long, allowing you to wear it as a shoulder bag or cross-body purse. This means you can comfortably carry it during the event without worrying about holding it all night, and the chain is gentle enough to avoid snagging your hair or scratching your clothes. For those who love the finer details, the polished metal hardware adds a bit of modern edge to the overall design. The light gold metal bars complement the rich satin fabric, giving the clutch a chic, polished look. The clutch's simple yet classy design makes it a perfect accessory for a variety of occasions. It's not just for formal events. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town or attending a family gathering, this bag brings that extra sparkle to your ensemble. When it comes to storage, don't let its size fool you. While this is a compact clutch, it provides ample space for your essentials. The interior is roomy enough for your phone, keys, and makeup, making it the ideal accessory for events where you want to keep things simple and elegant. You won't have to sacrifice style for functionality with this clutch. The charming TAILOR Clutch is available in a classic black color, making it versatile enough to pair with any outfit. From a flowing evening gown to a sleek cocktail dress, this bag will seamlessly tie your whole look together. If you're someone who values elegance in every detail, this clutch will not disappoint. So, whether you're dressing up for a wedding, prom, or a fancy dinner, the charming TAILOR Satin Clutch is the best companion you could ask for. Elegant, secure, and beautifully designed, it's the perfect way to elevate your formal attire. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab your own. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we hope this review helps you make the right choice for your next special occasion.